On July 28, 2024, the divine messages from archangels and angels. Archangels mentioning you that the prosperity is which you're wishing and planning is already on the way. It's just taking time to take the next step. So stay optimistic and plan that you need to be. And plan will be expected. It will turn out to be that way that is expected, and material needs will get fulfilled. So that's energy, very beautiful energy, but act of kindness are very important towards the nature, towards others. So giving and receive with the gratefulness of the heart and heart full of gratitude, and take care of your health. Okay, do not stress. You're feeling too much stress and all, please do meditation, seek relief, seek some kind of break for your mental break, health break, and balance the energies, because balance of the energies comes, success always comes with some kind of self control and patience, forgiving and healing yourself. So for more this, you can go to the extended video. In that, now I'm sharing with you some of the questions you can ask yourself. So question which you need to ask is that, are you in search of a deeper spiritual connection? If you are in search of deeper spiritual connection, you need to say this prayer to that your gods or angels whom you ever believe in, that dear angels or gods or goddesses, or dear God and goddesses and angels, I allow you to support me as I grow to become more spiritually aware. And then you also need to, another thing is that you need to go outdoors and commute with nature. Listen to the message which has been commuted through tree, plants. Spend your time in your garden or the woods. Put your attention on your alignment with Mother Earth. Feel Mother Earth. Sit in there with Mother Earth, nature. And mention Archangel Sandalphon here says that these affirmations are for you. You can say, I am aligned with the four elements, with the four direction and the four direction. I am a conduit for healing, Mother Earth. Protective energies always keep me safe. I receive spiritual insights to easily resolve problems. I know I am connected with all life. If you like this, please like this, subscribe this. Take care, stay blessed.